Hello and welcome to Digital Access Pass. My name is Veena Prashant. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how you can use DAP's new one-page course builder to create and deliver your online courses. It's really easy to use. When you use DAP as your membership plugin, you will not need an external LMS because DAP comes with an advanced learning management system. It's built in, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your online courses using DAP, especially with the new one-page course builder that we have just recently added. So let me show you how this works. Log into your DAP dashboard and go to the Manage Products page. It will bring you to a page like this. You will notice that there are two tabs here, Products and Courses. Under Products, you will find a list of all of your products. You can create new products. You can edit and manage your existing products here. And under the Courses tab, you will find a list of all of your courses here. You can click on Create a New Course to add a new one, or you can click on the Edit button here to edit the settings of your existing courses. Alright, so in the Products tab, if you click on Create New Product, you will notice that it says, are you looking to create a standard product or an online course? If you are looking to create anything other than a course, click on Standard Product, otherwise select Online Course. So here I'm going to select Online Course. Give your course a name. Let's say we call it Introduction to Membership Sites. You will notice that it will bring you to this one-page course builder. And first thing is course name and description. We already entered that in the pop-up. You can update it here. You can also upload a course image here. I'm going to upload one here. All right, so I have uploaded an image here. I'm going to go ahead and save it. When you save it, it will take you to step number 2. You can see step number 1 is done. Now step 2 is select the type of account. So standard account or group membership. So if you want to create a group membership, select this one. Otherwise, just the default standard account. Now course structure, you have the option of selecting one of these modules and lessons, or just lessons, no modules. So depending on what you're looking to do, select the one that works best for your needs. So here I'm going to select modules and lessons. Now course progress, if you want to allow users to access the next lesson only if they have completed the current lesson. If you want to prevent them from going to the next lesson until they complete the current lesson, you can select this option. They cannot skip lessons if you select this one. But if you don't want to apply any restrictions, you want to allow users to skip lessons and take it in any order, then select no restrictions. We have one more option here. Here you can see it says select the modules where lessons have to be taken in an order. So say that you have 3 modules, and first module users can just skip lessons, but you have 2 other modules where you don't want to allow users to skip any lessons, then you can apply that kind of restriction using this option. So you will have more flexibility and options with this one. So currently I don't have any modules in this course, so I can't really set this up. If you want to use this option, you'll have to first create your modules and lessons, and then you can edit the course and change the setting to use this option, and then you can select the specific modules where you want to apply restrictions. So I'm not going to select this one. I'm just going to select the first one for now. Moving on to step number 3, billing and access. So here you can specify if your course is free or paid. If it's a free course, you can set allow free sign up to yes. You can set access duration for your free course. And if it's a paid course, you can say one time or subscription. If it's one time, you can specify the price here, what you want to charge for your course, for example, $100. Or you can set this to subscription, and do you want to offer a trial? If no, set this to no, otherwise set this to yes. Is it a free trial or a paid trial? You can set that here. So here I'm going to set this to no trial. Subscription settings, subscription price, billing cycle. You can select billing cycle here. You can also select custom and enter the number here. Total number of payments. If it's a payment plan, you can set this to fixed, and you can limit the total number of payments, and otherwise just leave it as unlimited, where users are going to continue to pay until they cancel. So that's it. This is how you can set up billing and access. This will allow you to control how you want to charge users for your course, and also how many days of access they are going to receive when they purchase your course. All right, moving on to the next step, save and next, course content builder. So here you can create your modules, create your lessons, assign content to your course. So let's go ahead and do this now. So here I'm going to click on this to add a module name. I'm going to just say module 1, save. So you can see here module 1 has been added successfully. Now I'm going to click here to assign content to this module. There are 3 different options here. Select your existing content. If your content is in WordPress pages or posts, and you just want to include that in your course, it's really easy. All you have to do is select this option. And here you will find a list of all of your WordPress content, your WordPress posts and pages, and you can even search for it right here. So say that I'm going to go ahead and select these lessons. This is going to be part of this course, module 1. Click on save and next. You can see here under this module, I now have these lessons and everything is click and edit right here. You can update it. You don't even have to click on this button to update. You can just change the number here and you can just click on this icon right here to update it. You can see here it says updated successfully. That's it. All right. Same thing with the name. This is the one that's going to show up on the course outline page. So if you want to change this to a different name, if you want to just call it lesson 1, change it and click on update and done. That's it. You don't even have to click on this button to update. Everything is in place edit. I just want to change this back again. So now I'm going to add a new module and show you some other ways you can add content to your modules. So let's go ahead and add another one here. Add more modules. This is going to be module number 2. You can give it whatever name you want. All right, so module number 2 is here. I'm going to click on this button to add lessons to this module. And now I'm going to select add a new lesson option. DAP will add this as a page in WordPress, and DAP will also automatically insert all the required shortcodes on that page, like the mark as complete shortcode, progress bar, all of it on that page. So this is the name of the lesson I want to add. I'm going to click on save and next. You can see here DAP has now added this lesson to WordPress and all the shortcodes will be there on that page. And this is the drip setting by default. You can change it, click and edit name. If you want to change it, you can. That's it. Now, if you want to add additional lessons, all you have to do is click on add lessons under that module. And there is another option here, add other content. So if you have other files that you want to protect, a PDF file, zip file, you can just enter the full URL of the file right here and DAP will add that as part of the lesson. So here I'm going to add some more WordPress content and make it part of this module. Now this is the content under module number 2. So I have 2 modules now, module number 1 and module number 2. You can just follow the same steps, add as many modules as you want, as many lessons under each module. Really easy. That's it. All right. I'm going to click on save and next and move on to the next step. So in the emails tab, you can set up your welcome message. This is the email users are going to receive as soon as they sign up for the course, whether it's a free or a paid course. And you can use any of these personalization tags in your email. The main thing is to send them the login credentials in this email. Now this will be your domain name. If you want to append, for example, /login to it, if that's where your login page is, you can do that. Or you can just update this with the full URL. You can just directly use something like this. And DAP will send them this email as soon as they sign up for your product, for your course with their login credentials. And if you want to receive an email when someone signs up, you can enter your email ID here. And DAP will send you an email when a new user signs up for this course. And under the course complete notification, if you want to send an email to users when they complete the course, you can set this to yes. You can enter the details here and DAP will send them this email when they complete the course, when they complete the module, or when they complete each lesson in your course. You can send them different emails for each lesson in the course. And you can use any of these merge tags when you send the email. And also, if you want to display a message when they complete the course, so on the last lesson page of your course. So if you want to display a message to say, congrats, well done, you have completed this course, you can add the message here. It will be displayed to the users when they complete the course. Same thing with lesson complete message. If you want to display a message on each lesson page, so when users click on the mark as complete button, to complete each lesson, if you want to display a message to let them know, congrats, you have completed this lesson, you can add that message here and DAP will display this message when users click on the mark as complete button under each lesson. Email autoresponder, you can send follow-up emails to your users. All the emails are right here. You can create these emails in the DAP email autoresponder page and it will show up here on the left side. And if you want to drip it, you can just click on this add button to drip it and users will receive this email based on your setting. You can click on this edit button to change the drip setting. So all the email related stuff you're going to find here, save and next. Moving on to the next step, here you can enter your sales page URL, error page. This is the page users are going to see when they don't have access to your course and they try to access one of the lessons from your course but have not purchased the course or have not signed up for it. This is the error page they are going to see. This is the default error page from DAP. But if you want to create a page in WordPress and send them to that page, you can just enter the URL of that page and DAP will redirect them to that page if they try to access content that they don't have access to. Now, this is important because the My Content page that you create in DAP member pages, where users will find a list of all the products, all the courses, and all the content, the Access Your Content button will link to whatever you have here. So if it's an online course, you would probably want to send them to your course outline page or your introduction page for the course. So make sure to enter that URL here. So that's it as far as the advanced setting. Go ahead and save it. Next step is the shortcodes. And here, DAP will also automatically create a course outline page for you, a table of content page for you. Don't have to create it manually. So if you want DAP to create it for you, just select yes here. Enter a name for your course outline page. Here, for example, this is the name. I want DAP to automatically create this page for me in WordPress. That's it. This page is ready. Let's go and check it out. You can see here, this is how it looks. These are the lessons in Module 1. These are the lessons in Module 2. You can edit the setting here. You can change the customization options, all of it by clicking on this Edit Outline Settings. And you will also find a list of all of your shortcodes right here. So this is the table of content shortcode. This is your progress bar shortcode, and this is mark as complete. So make sure that every lesson in your course, you add all of these shortcodes, especially the mark as complete one, because this will allow users to click on the button that says mark as complete to indicate that they have completed the lesson. This will allow DAP to track everything and report status and let you know which lessons users have completed, which ones are still pending. If it's an existing page that you're picking up from WordPress and making it part of your course, these shortcodes will not be there on the page, so you need to enter it in each lesson page. But if you get DAP to create the lesson for you, for example, if you click on Add Lessons and you select Add a New Lesson option, and you get DAP to create the lesson in WordPress for you, in that case, DAP will automatically insert all of these shortcodes on the lesson page. You don't have to do it manually. But if you are selecting existing lessons, in that case, make sure that every lesson has these shortcodes. So that's it. As far as the shortcodes, you can edit all of these shortcodes by clicking on this button right here. And the summary page, you will find a full summary of your course, billing and access details, name, description, view details to find more information about this course. That's it. This is the DAP one-page course builder. There's a lot more things you can do with it. Return to manage courses. And you can see here all the options. If you go to manage courses, you will find a list of all of your courses, all the shortcodes for that course. You will find it here. If you want to create a student-facing shortcode, so students can find a list of all the courses and their progress, the quizzes and the certificates, all that information they will find. So you can create a student-facing shortcode and publish it on a WordPress page, and you can send your students there so they can find all the details about the courses that they have. All the shortcodes are right here. Prerequisite is right here if you want to set prerequisites for your course. Manage students. So here you will find a list of all the courses, and under each course, the student information, what courses they have completed, what lessons they have completed, how much time they have spent. The student report you will find right here, all the details there. Certificates, you can create a certificate for your course, and users will be assigned that certificate when they complete the course, and they can download the certificate. You can do all of that in the certificates page. Points, if you want to give users points when they complete each lesson, when they complete the course, all of that integration happens in the points page. But you do need our Game of Points plugin to integrate DAP courses with the points-based system. Quizzes. If you use our plugin Smart Quiz Builder to create your quizzes, assessment quizzes, and different types of quizzes, you can get DAP to create a blocking quiz, add that to your lessons in WordPress. So users will be required to complete the quiz to move on to the next lesson. You can do all of that in Smart Quiz Builder settings page under the DAP integration tab, and you will find all the reports right here. That's it. You can delete your course or you can clone it using these buttons. And in the reports page, you will find a list of all of your courses and full reports. So you can see how many people have enrolled in the course, how many have started the course, how many have completed, and in progress status, how much time was spent on an average on this course by your students. So you will get a course level view in the reports page. So you can see pretty much everything that you can think of when it comes to creating an online course. You can do it using DAP. DAP is not even an LMS. DAP is a membership plugin first, but it comes with the most advanced learning management solution for your courses. You're not going to find this many options with any other membership plugin. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. And my name is Veena Prashant. I have a Facebook group. You're welcome to join and ask your questions there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.